Hey there, TikTok fam. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Today, I'm here to show you the ultimate guide to selling digital products on TikTok. Whether you're an artist, a creator, or an entrepreneur, TikTok provides an incredible platform to showcase your talents and monetize your content. Get ready to unlock the secrets to selling digital products and watch your dreams become a reality. Selling digital products on TikTok can be a lucrative venture if done correctly. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Choose your niche product. Decide what type of digital product you want to sell. It could be anything from ebooks, online courses, music, digital art, templates, to software products. Choose something that aligns with your expertise and interests. Choosing the right niche or product to create digital products on TikTok requires careful consideration of your interests, expertise, market demand, and audience preferences. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you choose your niche or product. Identify your interests and passions. Start by brainstorming topics that you are passionate about or have a deep interest in. Consider your hobbies, skills, professional expertise, or personal experiences that you can leverage to create digital products. Research market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, social media analytics, and keyword research to identify trending topics and popular niches on TikTok. Look for gaps or underserved areas within these niches where you can provide unique value with your digital products. Assess your expertise and skills. Evaluate your expertise and skills in different areas to determine what type of digital products you can create. Are you a talented artist, writer, programmer, marketer, educator, or musician? Your expertise will play a crucial role in determining the type of digital products you can offer. Consider audience preferences. Understand the demographics and interests of the TikTok audience. Analyze popular content in various niches on TikTok to see what resonates with users and what kind of digital products they might be interested in purchasing. Validate your idea. Before diving into product creation, validate your niche or product idea by conducting market research and gathering feedback from your target audience. Engage with potential customers through surveys, polls, focus groups, or social media to understand their needs, pain points, and preferences. Evaluate monetization potential. Consider the monetization potential of different niches and digital products on TikTok. Research the pricing and sales potential of similar products in your chosen niche and assess whether there is a viable market for your digital products. Choose a niche product with longevity. Aim for a niche or product that has long-term sustainability and growth potential. Avoid niches that are too narrow or fads that may quickly lose relevance. Look for evergreen topics or industries with consistent demand. Align with your brand and values. Ensure that your chosen niche or product aligns with your personal brand, values, and long-term goals. Building a brand around something you are genuinely passionate about will make it easier to create authentic content and connect with your audience on TikTok. Stay flexible and open to experimentation. Keep an open mind and be willing to adapt your niche or product based on feedback and market trends. Stay updated on emerging trends and evolving consumer preferences to remain relevant in the ever-changing landscape of TikTok. Test and iterate. Once you've chosen your niche or product, test different content formats, messaging, and promotional strategies on TikTok to see what resonates best with your audience. Continuously iterate and refine your approach based on data and insights gathered from your TikTok analytics. Create your product. Develop your digital product. This could involve writing an ebook, creating video tutorials for an online course, designing digital art, or coding software. Ensure that your product provides value to your target audience and is of high quality. Set up payment processing. Choose a platform for payment processing. You can use third-party platforms like PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify to handle transactions securely. Make sure to set up your payment account and link it to your bank account for receiving payments. Promote your product. Incorporate subtle promotion of your digital product into your TikTok content. You can create teaser videos, product demonstrations, user testimonials, or special limited-time offers to entice your audience to check out your product. Use TikTok's features. Take advantage of TikTok's features such as hashtags, sounds, filters, effects, and duets to increase the visibility of your content and reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, messages, and participating in trends and challenges. Using TikTok's features effectively can help you create engaging content, promote your digital products, and make money on the platform. Here's how to leverage TikTok features for these purposes. Create compelling content, video effects and filters. Use TikTok's wide range of video effects and filters to enhance the visual appeal of your content and make it stand out. Music library. Incorporate popular music tracks and sound effects from TikTok's extensive music library to make your videos more entertaining and engaging. Text and stickers. Add text overlays, stickers, emojis, and GIFs to your videos to convey messages, emphasize key points, or add humor. Duet and stitch. Collaborate with other TikTok users by creating duets or stitches, where you can react to or build upon their content. This can help you reach a wider audience and increase engagement. Promote your digital products. Bio link. Include a link to your digital product or online store in your TikTok bio. Encourage viewers to visit your bio to learn more or make a purchase. In-video links. If you have access to TikTok's in-video linking feature, available to select creators, you can add clickable links to your videos to direct viewers to external websites or landing pages. Promotional videos. Create promotional videos showcasing your digital products, highlighting their features and benefits. Use compelling visuals, catchy music, and clear calls to action to encourage viewers to check out your products. Monetize your TikTok account. TikTok Creator Fund. Join the TikTok Creator Fund to monetize your content through ad revenue sharing. Eligible creators can earn money based on the performance of their videos, including views, engagement, and watch time. Brand partnerships. Collaborate with brands and advertisers to create sponsored content or influencer marketing campaigns. Negotiate paid partnerships to promote products or services to your audience. Live gifts. Go live on TikTok and receive virtual gifts from your viewers as a form of monetization. TikTok users can purchase virtual gifts using coins, which can be converted into real money for creators. Engage with your audience, comments and messages. Respond to comments and direct messages from your viewers to build relationships and foster a sense of community. Engaging with your audience can help increase loyalty and trust. Q&A and ARMA sessions. Host live Q&A, question and answer, or ARMA, Ask Me Anything, sessions to interact with your audience in real time, answer their questions, and provide valuable insights. Challenges and trends. Participate in popular challenges, trends, and hashtags on TikTok to increase your visibility and attract new followers. Put your own spin on trending topics to showcase your creativity and personality. Track performance and iterate. Use TikTok analytics to track the performance of your content, including views, likes, shares, comments, and audience demographics. Analyze these metrics to understand what resonates with your audience and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Include a call to action. Encourage your viewers to take action by including a clear call to action in your videos. This could be directing them to click the link in your bio, visit your website, or send you a message for more information about your product. Track performance and iterate. Monitor the performance of your TikTok content and track metrics such as views, likes, shares, and click-through rates. Use this data to analyze what content resonates most with your audience and refine your strategy accordingly. Use TikTok Analytics. Access TikTok's built-in analytics tool to monitor the performance of your content. You can view metrics such as views, likes, shares, comments, and audience demographics. Pay attention to engagement metrics like watch time and average view duration to gauge how well your content is resonating with your audience. Track link clicks and conversions. If you're promoting digital products with a link in your bio or through in-video links, if available to you as a creator, track clicks and conversions using tools like Google Analytics or third-party link tracking platforms. Monitor metrics such as click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, and revenue generated from TikTok traffic to measure the effectiveness of your promotional efforts. Analyze audience feedback. Pay attention to comments, direct messages, and user-generated content related to your digital products. Analyze feedback from your audience to understand their preferences, needs, and pain points. Use audience insights to identify opportunities for product improvements, new content ideas, or marketing strategies that resonate with your target audience. Experiment with content formats. Test different content formats, styles, and topics to see what performs best with your audience. Experiment with short-form videos, tutorials, behind-the-scenes footage, user testimonials, and product demonstrations. Monitor the performance of each content format and iterate based on what drives the highest engagement, click-throughs, and conversions for your digital products. Optimize posting schedule and frequency. Experiment with posting times and frequency to determine the optimal schedule for reaching your target audience. Test posting at different times of the day and days of the week to see when your content receives the most engagement. Use TikTok analytics to identify peak engagement periods and adjust your posting schedule accordingly to maximize visibility and impact. A/B test promotional strategies. Conduct A/B tests to compare different promotional strategies for your digital products. Test variations in messaging, visuals, calls to action, and promotional offers to identify what drives the highest conversion rates. Split test different promotional tactics with similar audience segments to determine which approach yields the best results and allocate your resources accordingly. Iterate based on data and insights. Continuously analyze performance data and insights from TikTok analytics, link tracking tools, and audience feedback to inform your content strategy and promotional efforts. Use data-driven insights to refine your messaging, optimize your content, and iterate on your marketing tactics to improve the effectiveness of your digital product promotions over time. And there you have it. Selling digital products on TikTok is not just a dream, it's a lucrative reality waiting for you to seize it. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, share your expertise, and start monetizing your passion today. Remember, the journey to success begins with that very first step. So why wait? Let's make those digital dreams come true together. Keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy selling!